Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to recover Clash of Clans account on your device. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to recover your account, first thing you need to contact the Supercell support inside the game. So to begin with, you need to create a fresh COC account and then you need to contact the Supercell support from inside it. And you should never try to recover your lost account inside your other account or your previous account. After you're done creating a new COC account, you'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. And as you click on the gear icon, right in center a pop-up appears, and from there you need to click on help and support, which is right at the bottom. Once again, a pop-up will appear right in front of your screen. So what you'll need to do is click on the tick icon located right at the bottom, or the blue bubble, and as you click on it, right on top you'll have a list of options. So from here you need to select the option that is lost account. On this page you need to fill up all the information that is asked. So first thing, you need to provide your account information or the account name, and you also need to enter the clan which your account is in, and then you need to enter the player tag. Once you're done providing all of these information, click on continue, which is right at the bottom. And as you click on continue, next interface will be able to see contact player support, and right on top you'll need to describe what is the actual issue. So you can simply type in that somebody hacked my account, or you need to give a valid reason why you're not able to recover your account. Once you're done with this process, click on submit player support request, which is right at the bottom, and after that you'll have to wait for at least 30 minutes and you'll be receiving a notification such as this kind. So what you need to do is right over here on this page, you need to inform that what happened to your account or why you're unable to recover your account. You'll also be asked to provide some of the information linked with your account, and usually this kind of process will take 24 hours or more than 24 hours in order to respond or look into your matter. If the information provided is valid and reasonable, your account will be recovered within a couple of days. Till then, all you need to do is wait patiently, and that is how you can recover Clash of Clans account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.